Hey guys, I don't do much unboxing because I don't have that much patience. But today's unboxing is special. Can you read the name? Yep, that's Michael Burch of Burch Tree Blade Works. Alright, I'll just cut it with my hand, with one hand. I don't know if this will work, but yeah, it works. Oh, my Spyderco military. Oops. Alright, here you go. Ta-da! That's Michael's car with the handle and blade material and date made. The name of the knife is called Swoop. This is one of the best knife that Michael made. Has a really nice hammer, as you can see. Very thick blade. Extremely useful size. It's a small size, but excellent EDC. And with the new Chad Nichols moku-ti bolster. It's really nice. And the moku-ti clip with the lightning strike carbon fiber scales and anodized liner locks. Alright? Really early lock. I'll do a review of this knife when I get a chance. Thank you for watching. Bye.